Guys, I'm here to show you this beautiful black Chanel quilted glazed leather large cc delivery tote. This is such a beautiful tote, guys. When I'm going to show you the insides of it, no one can deny that it's such a piece which is a blend of craftsmanship and also a practical design. You can see there are two straps. If you want to use the shorter one, you can, and there's also a longer one. Let's go to the closer look of it. It is so pretty. You can see the leather. It's such a pretty leather, and also the chain strap and also the other strap, both are so pretty on this bag. Here the insides of the bag, guys. It has good space to carry your laptop. It also has small compartments inside to carry your other little things, and on the outside it has a CC logo, turn lock, where you can also have your other things here. It has good space here too to carry your other essentials, and also on the outside there is a little space to slide in your phone. And I think overall this bag is so stylish and so elegant, like for your day-to-day wear, and I think it would be a great choice.